Calculate the size of angle ABC. So ABC, well, that's this one here. Remember, put a hat over the top of the middle one. That's the angle that we're looking for. I'm going to label it as X. So we've got side and opposite angle and a side and opposite angle. So then that again means that we're using sine rule. But this time we're going to be trying to find the angle. So if I'm finding the angle, I'm going to put the angle on top. Now the angle is the bit that's with sine. So sine of X over the opposite side, so that's 20, is equal to, again I need to put the angle on the top, so sine of the angle, which is 60, over the opposite side, which is 18. I want to figure out what X is. The first thing I'm going to do is times by 20 on both sides. So that's going to get me sine X is equal to 20 sine 60 over 18. And I can put that on my calculator now. So 20 sine 60 over 18. Now I'm going to leave that on my calculator stored. It's coming up as 5 root 3 over 9. And I just want to know what X is. So to figure out what X is, I need to get rid of this sine by doing inverse sine. So I'm just going to press on my calculator, inverse sine of answer, inverse sine, answer. And I get that X is 74.2.